Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope that all of you are fine. The topic which we discuss today is function of kidney. The code of this topic is 23.1.1. You can search about this topic from this code. Code is 23.1.1. Now we discuss about our today's topic, which is function of kidney. This topic is class 8 of subject science. I take this topic from chapter 1, human organ systems. From excretory system, I take this topic from excretory system, which is function of kidneys. Now we talk about what are functions of kidneys. As we know that the main function of kidney is blood filtration. What is blood filtration? Blood filtration means that all the nitrogen waste from the blood are filtrated in the kidney. It is the structure of kidney. In kidney, these pyramid shapes are present. In these pyramid shapes, such type of nephron is present. In this nephron, all the blood filtration happen. By this nephron, all the blood filtration is happened. This is the structure of nephron. From this nephron, many structures are present. In this nephron, many structures are present. The main structure is glomerulus. Glomerulus is the main structure for the blood filtration. These are capillaries and these are veins. From capillaries, blood are come in glomerulus. From capillaries, blood are come in glomerulus. And then blood is filtrated. When blood is filtrated, all the nitrogen waste are come into this proximal tube. And all the useful material, for example glucose and water, this come into which are useful for us, this come to again in these veins. Blood come in these capillaries and then it is filtrated in glomerulus, and then all the wasteful material come into proximal tube and all the useful material come into veins, and these material again absorbed into blood. When the blood come into proximal tube, it transfer into loop of Henle. It is also the structure of nephron. In loop of Henle, reabsorption is happened. In reabsorption, also all the useful material, for example glucose and water, are reabsorbed. It is a convoluted tube. It is called distal tube. In these distal tubule, reabsorption also happened. In reabsorption, again the useful material are reabsorbed, and then all the wasteful material come into collecting duct. From these collecting duct, the material which is waste, from these collecting duct, then waste is go into urinary bladder, and then it go into urethra, and then it move from our body in the form of urine. It is the function of kidney, which is the blood filtration. How the blood filtration is occurred from the main structure of kidney, which is nephron. Now we talk about malfunction of kidney. Malfunction of kidney means that our kidney does not work properly sometime due to some reasons. The reasons are we do not take water properly, then some stones are formed in our kidney. These are malfunction of kidneys, which are stone formation and renal failure. Stone formation is the minor problem in which some small or large stones are formed. Small stones can be removed by maximum intake of water, but the large stones which are formed in our kidney cannot be removed by intake of water. The large stones can be removed by a process which is known as lithotripsy. Lithotripsy is a process in which lithotripsy we bombard the waves on the stones, and then stones are break down into large stones are break down into small stones and then small stones are removed from our body by the urine. Second problem of kidney is renal failure. It is the major problem. In renal failure, our kidney cannot work properly and it cannot be accurate by the intake of water. Because it is the major problem. In renal failure, our kidney cannot filtrate the blood, which is the main function of kidney. Renal failure, dialysis is the process in which renal failure is treated. Dialysis is the artificial process in which blood is filtrated. Third treatment of the kidney is kidney transplant. In kidney transplant, we transplant kidney of a healthy man, of a healthy person. We transplant kidney into a person whose kidney cannot work properly. The person whose kidneys cannot work properly, and the person whose kidney is work good can be transplanted into the other person. This is our today's lecture. If you have any problem, you can search by this code. Okay, Allah Hafiz.